And the nice thing is the semiconductor industry is big, powerful, successful. One thing which comes to mind very quickly is you need to go to a different manufacturing system, because today's LED manufacturing systems are not meant for these small sizes. And I personally think that at Display Week last year, you could see quite a tremendous shift in the industry belief, I would say, that we need to go to semiconductor processing lines to achieve the kind of yield levels and cost points which this industry needs. Now, we're not talking about conventional LEDs, where you actually can accept a lot of defects on a large chip, but if you have the same kind of defect on a micro LED, and imagine you have this in an array which fits into your glasses or into some head-up displays, that kills the complete product. So that needs to be avoided. And the nice thing is the semiconductor industry is big, powerful, successful.